Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving. I know it was a little weird this time being that we couldn't really be around our families, but I really do hope that you all were still able to make the best of a bad situation and still found reasons to be thankful even though this has been a crazy year. I know I wasn't able to be with my family, at least not everyone, and that's okay. Hopefully next year we'll be able to make that happen. So this week for my video, I wanted to do something a little bit different than what I usually do because of Thanksgiving. I know that I've always said I wanted to do my own vlog to show people, well, show you all what happens behind the scenes. And I know that most of you know that I just finished a collab with rue21, and I thought perfect opportunity to show everyone what goes on at my photo shoots because this was the perfect time and this was the perfect opportunity to do it. So I'm so excited to show you all how I work and how I do me, you know? If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and make sure you're pressing that bell too so that you get all the notifications every time I post, which is every weekend, allegedly. So this video is about to show you everything that I've wanted to talk about, but I didn't know how to put it all in words because so much happens behind a photo shoot. There are mistakes, there are constantly changing your position, doing the same position. You know what? I'm not even gonna go into detail. Let's just take a look at it. Alright guys, here we go. I made it to Naperville. I told you I'd be doing this. This is my first time trying to show you guys the behind the scenes of how this goes. I'm so excited for you to see this. It's like 48 degrees out here. I'm out here with my main man, Donald. If you guys saw my last pictures, you'll be able to see this one and this one. You'll see his work. I'll be leaving all his stuff below as well, so make sure you check them out. So let's get started with my first outfit, guys. All right guys, let's say hi to the photographer, Donald.
Hey guys.
And then I also brought my mom. Hey mom. Hi. All right, so this is my mom's first time doing this with me, so bear with all of us. So we're about to have some fun though. All right guys, so we've already hit some technical difficulties, but that's how this thing works. So we're getting back into it, and you guys can see my first outfit roll out.
Guys, here's just a little sneak peek of what you're looking at.
Alright guys, so we just did a wardrobe change, did a hair change. It took about 10 minutes in a car with my mom. Yes. So here we go. New outfit, round 2. Watch out. Alright guys, so we got another dying device, but we got this. We got 2 outfits down. We can do this. Alright guys, here we are. Final outfit. It's 2 hours in. This has been awesome. I'm so happy the way that these pictures are coming out. I'm happy that we're at the last outfit as well. So let's get this last shoot in and then we'll be done for the day. We did it. 2 hours and some change. This is probably the fastest photo shoot I've ever had, and it's probably gonna be the best pictures I've ever taken, if that makes sense. Alright guys, that's it. You just got to see something that no one else has been able to see because I don't show anyone. This was a huge opportunity for me to actually give you guys a behind the scenes of how I work when I am being an influencer and a model. Do you all want to see more of these kind of videos? Because I think I do like vlogging, but I want to make sure that's something that you all like. So let me know in the comments, did you enjoy this? Do you want to model? Have you tried doing those poses? Have you tried being an influencer? Do you have any questions about what you saw? Any of the above. Make sure you put those in the comments and I will be sure to always answer. I really enjoyed showing you guys this, so I will definitely be doing this more often because I think that this like builds more of a connection between me and you all to really get to see what it's like besides just seeing a picture here and there. But until next week guys, that's all I have for you. So as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you soon.